All right, so in this video, I'm going to show you the balance line. So we've, put in the our site improvements, and we've got our existing, our finished ground. We have all that data, and I want to know, is this site balanced? We saw from the reports that we have a lot of material that we actually have to waste. So what you can do on the Takeoff tab is click on the balance line, and you could put in, how much you want to, haul off, how much you want to waste. You could, adjust those numbers, choose an area of interest, account for the, shrinkage and the bulkage of your material, and apply this either to the entire site or even just to a boundary. But I'm going to just leave it the way it is. I'm going to click apply. It's going to go through and it's going to do some calculations, and it's going to show me some results here in the bottom where it shows my available bank cut, my fill supplied, my compacted fill required, my compacted excess, and required elevation adjustment for over the entire site. So I would have to raise everything up a half a foot to not have to haul off or waste that material. If you click on concise and I run that report again, you'll just see that instead of giving me all this data, it's only going to give me just my compacted excess and my required adjustment.